In Google AI Studio, you can not only generate images, but also edit them without using tools like Photoshop or hiring a graphic designer. In this video lesson, let's see how to do that. As you can see, I'm in Google AI Studio, right where we left off in the last lesson. Click Playground in the left panel, and then select the image generation card. It displays all the available models. Right now, for free users, only the Nano Banana model is available. Select it. On the right side, you'll see the option to choose the aspect ratio. This means you won't need to crop or resize your image in external apps later. The AI creates it at your exact canvas size. For this project, let's select 16:9. Click inside the main prompt box and paste a descriptive, non-technical prompt, like this one, and then click Run. And here is our image, exactly as I wanted. Click here to download it. As you can see, the downloaded image is high resolution, and the best part is that it's completely free. The only downside is this AI-generated logo or watermark. But aside from that, it's hard to complain when you have access to such a powerful image generation tool for free. As I mentioned earlier, besides generating images, you can also edit them in AI Studio. You don't need to know how to use complex lasso tools or masking brushes to clean up a product photo. Click the plus sign to start a new chat. Then click the plus icon next to the chat bar and upload your raw practice product photo. For example, this vintage car image. Now type your editing instructions along with the uploaded photo. I want to change the background to an outdoor scene. Amazing, isn't it? So that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to generate text-to-speech voiceovers in Google AI Studio. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.